Hello children, we are discussing the chapter Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. You all know that when two or more numbers are multiplied, then the result of the product is called the multiple of each numbers. And the numbers which are multiplied are the factors of the product or multiple. For example, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So, 20 is the multiple of 4 as well as multiple of 5, and 5 and 4 are the factors of 20. Why factors of 20? Because if we divide 20 by 4, then there will be no remainder. 4 will divide 20 completely. In the same way, 5 also divide 20 completely. There will be no remainder. So, 5 and 4 are the factors of 20, and 20 is the multiple of 5 as well as multiple of 4. Now we will solve some question answers, like write 5 multiples of 7. So multiples of 7 will be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Again for 8, it will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. As I have asked to give only 5 multiples, you will stop here. But the multiples will go on because there are infinite multiples of a number. Like 9, it will be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. For 12, it will be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. For 15, it will be 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Now the next question, find first two common multiples of 3 and 4. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. You have to remember the multiplication table. Okay. So from the table only you can write the multiples. Then multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. So as because we have to find the first two common multiples, so I have put pink color circle on the common multiples, like 12 is common in both the numbers, that is multiple of 3 and multiple of 4, and 24 also. It is common. Multiple of 3 is also 24. Multiple of 4 is also 24. So the first two common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. Now next question, find the factors of 12. So we can write in this way, 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 1, 2, 3, 12, 6 and 4. All these are factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 itself is a factor of 12 because if we divide 12 by 12 we will get 1. Okay, 12 completely divides 12. In the same way, the factors of 20 are 1 into 20 equal to 20, 2 into 10 equal to 20, 4 into 5 equal to 20. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So here it is written, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now in the next question we will find the common factors of 12 and 20. So from here only we came to know the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So the common factors, I have put a circle, you can see. So the common factors of 12 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. Now we will know about even numbers and odd numbers. Numbers which are multiple of 2 are called even numbers. Or we can say numbers which are divisible by 2. That means the numbers which we can divide by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24, 48 dot 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 means it goes on like this. Now comes your odd numbers. Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers, which are not multiples of 2. Or the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 dot 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 dot. In this way it goes on 27, 69 and so on. Now we will discuss about prime numbers and composite numbers. Now what are prime numbers? Numbers which have only two factors. That is the number 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 19, 11, 13. 2 has only two factors, that is 1 and the number 2 itself. In the same way, 3 also have only two factors, the number 1 and number 3 itself. So, the numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. And composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors, okay, are called composite numbers. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9. Like 4 has factors like 1, 2, 4. So it is more than two factors. Now some interesting facts which you should know. 1 is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite as it has only one factor. 1 has only one factor, the number itself. 1 is a factor of every number. This is the second interesting point which you should know. 1 is the factor of every number. And the third one is 2 is the only even prime number. It is the only even prime number. Other prime numbers, all other prime numbers are odd. Okay. So today up to this only. That's all for today. Thank you.